Good morning. Today we're going to add expressions. Delilah signs up for L Club and a rock climbing gym. What expression represents her total fitness cost after M months? So we can see at Ruby's Rock-In Climbers, she paid an initial fee of $65, which would be the constant since it's the initial amount. Then she went on to pay a monthly fee, which is a rate, so that would be the coefficient. At Ace L Club, she paid an initial fee of $80, so the $80 would be the constant. And a monthly fee, which is the rate, so that would be the coefficient. Alright, so let us go ahead and write an expression to represent each situation. So since it's an initial fee of $65, that would be 65 as the constant. And we see that 40 is a coefficient, so that's 40 M per month. And since it's a total amount she would pay, that's why we're adding. Now over here at Ace L Club, we see that the initial fee is $80, and then she will be paying $50 per month. So we had to add those two to get the total she would pay at that club. Alright, to find our total costs for both gyms, we would have to add both expressions. Alright, so here we have both expressions. We can proceed to add. Alright, so let us put the invisible one that is outside these parentheses. So we'd have to multiply all the terms inside the parentheses by 1. So we get 65 plus 40M plus 80 plus 50M. Now we can proceed to identify the like terms. So I see a term here with M. I'm gonna circle it. Here's the next term with M, so let me circle it as well. We see our constants. We can box them. And please remember to include the signs. So now we can use the commutative property to reorder our terms. So I'm going to write all the terms in box first. So you have 65, everything in the box, plus 80. Now we're going to write the ones in the circles. So we have plus 40M plus 50M. Alright, when I combine these two terms, I see that I get 145 plus, when I combine these two terms, I get 90M. Alright, so here we have added expressions. So thank you for watching. Alright, so next let us go to the next slide. So add the expressions half x minus 3 minus 2y plus a quarter x minus 2y plus 5. So let me put my invisible ones outside the parentheses. Then I can proceed to distribute. So 1 times half x give me half x. 1 times negative 3 give me negative 3. 1 times negative 2y would give me negative 2y. 1 times a quarter give me positive a quarter x. 1 times negative 2y gives me negative 2y. And 1 times 5 give me 5. Now I can identify my like terms. So I'm going to circle all the terms with x. Then I'm going to box all the terms with y. If you notice, I include the sign. I didn't leave the sign out. And then I can just put a line under the terms with that are constant. Alright, so let us reorder our terms using the commutative property. So we have a half x plus a quarter x minus 2y, then we have minus 3 plus 5. When I combine these two terms, a half plus a quarter would give me 3/4 x, negative 2y minus 2y would give me negative 4y, and negative 3 plus 5 would give me positive 2. Thank you for watching.